Okay, so the first thing it has to do here is reflection of the triangle in the line x equals 1. So your first job is to draw that line x equals 1. Well, use your x line, and x equals 1 is there. So the first thing you need to do is to draw that line in there, x equals 1. Okay, now then to reflect it, it's on grid paper, it's all about counting squares. The key to the reflection is that the number of squares you count into the line, the mirror line, the same number of squares you count behind it. So if I take this point here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, so that point ends up there. This point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And finally the top point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's the 3 points of the triangle, and I join them up. That's your reflection. Now the enlargement. Okay, there's 3 marks here. Okay, now then, if you struggle with the centre, finding exactly where to draw it, you can still score 2 of those 3 marks as long as you've made that shape, you've scaled it up by a factor of 2. Any correct drawing when it's scaled up by a factor of 2 will give you 2 marks. You'll get the 3rd mark for putting that in the right position. Now the way you locate that position, say I want to start drawing at that top point there. Use the centre. To go from the centre to that point, I go up 2 squares, 1 to the left. Now because the scale factor is 2, I have to do that twice. So it's up 2 across 1, up 2 across 1. So I start drawing there. Now then, the diagonal going across from there to there is down 1 across 2. So because the scale factor is 2, I go down 1 across 2 and I do it twice. Down 1 across 2, down 1 across 2. So the first diagonal goes there. Then this part here is going diagonally. It's a straight diagonal corner to corner, just once. So because the scale factor is 2, I do that twice. So I end up there. The line then comes straight down 3 squares. Scale factor of 2, that's going to come down 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From there, I'm then going across 2. So I now go across 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm joining it back to the first point. Okay, so if you've done that in the right position, you get 3. If you haven't got it in the right position, but it's the same size, you get 2. Okay. And finally, okay, this translation, okay, it could be given to you as a description, you see in there, 8 units to the left and 1 down. Or it could be written as what we call a column vector, where you get 2 numbers, top and bottom, and the top number is telling you what to do in the horizontal direction, and the bottom number tells you what to do in the vertical direction. So this is telling you to go back 8, go down 1. So that top square there, go back 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, go down 1. This point, go back 8, down 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, down 1. And finally this point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, go down 1. And then join the dots